Welcome to SM Elite, brought to you by SM High-Tech Developers. Make elegance of Rome your home. What if we tell you you don't need a time machine to step into awe-inspiring Roman life? It's right here in Navi Mumbai's Taloja. You can come by metro, railway, road, or by air. It's a merger of Roman and modern life. You'll see Roman architecture competing with the modern style. As you step into SM Elite, you step into a different world. A world where modern amenities allure to the Roman lifestyle. A world where every corner testaments to the Roman genius for construction. Where you realize that this isn't just a home, it's a masterpiece of Roman opulence. It's a Roman address that offers all the 21st century delights. And has everything for your next generations to thrive for the next centuries. Come to SM Elite and realize that your Roman life is where you should drive.